Jimmy's Transport. Current trailer temp 32, right? Fahrenheit.
So, put your foot on the brake. Push the yellow nozzle in. Pull forward. All right, you heard it? You heard the pink go in? Now put her in reverse. Let your foot off the brake. Huh? You can. Keep her going. Take your foot off the gas. Why are you on the gas? Put her in drive. Forward. All right, now go back. You heard that? You heard that pop? That means the pins went in. So now just slide her back. Keep her going. Right there, right there, right there. Pull up, put her in neutral. Pull the yellow one. Come back here and look to see what hole you by. Right now you should be by the 5th hole. But we're not. You see where that little extra little piece is right here? You see what this thing is right here?
This right here.
Yeah, that's kind of like a California line right there. So what hole are we by?
Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So we know we need to slide her back some more, right?
Yeah.
All right, now get in and slide her back some more. And don't, look at the ground. Come back here, look at the hose. You see how far that is? That's about what, about a foot.
Yeah.
So look at the ground when you're backing up and try to measure a foot so you don't slide back too far or too forward. Right there. Bring her back.
It's on the 5th?
It's in the 5th. So now go to workflow, go to view. Now put the time in.
What time is?
The time right there on the tablet, bro.
Oh, my bad. So it's 19. I'll put 20. 1959.
Yep. We don't cheat the clock.
What? 20. Do your bills match platform signs?
Yes.
Pickup trailer number
1791
175
T
91 T. Alright.
32.
32.
Scroll up. 32.
32. BOL number.
We never touch the BOL number. Seal number.
Seal number is 025. Do I put exactly what it says here, or I could round it off like 30?
It's the gross. So whatever it says right there, 30. That's what you put in there. That's how much this weighs.
So 35, 9, 5.
How many pieces is it?
Pieces will be 28.
No.
No.
You got your finger right by it, bro.
432?
No.
No, this one.
No.
This.
Yeah.
3,540.
Mm-hmm.
3,540. All right, Paddington should be
The bottom.
28.
Mm-hmm.
28.
0. It don't have pallets out, so it's 0.
Are you using your meat lock? No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Comments. No comments.
Scan. So scan that one, both those pages. So right now we gotta keep her under 46. So you should have total control of the truck while we're going down this mountain. So right now we got her on 1, right? We got a Jake brake on 1. And we're holding our speed. Now once you start seeing her kicking up speed fast enough, what should you do?
Put her on 2.
Right. Now, once you put her on 2 and she starts picking up speed, what do you do? All right, and once you start slowing down speed fast, what would you do?
2.
2?
If it starts slowing down?
If it starts slowing down.
I will put her on 2.
Okay. Like now, take her off, drop the gas. We're gonna coast a little bit. Slow her down. Yeah, keep her on 1. Put her on 2. There you go. Yep. Your objective when you're going down mountains is to have total control of your truck. So like I said, we don't want our truck to break away from us to the point where we got to use our Jake brake and our engine brake. So as long as the Jake is working, we know we got total control of this truck right now. Go ahead, drop her on 1. Let her coast.
Limit 6,500 and then 5,500
Tons. Take her off. There you go. Now remember, we're still going downhill.
Yeah. Once I go up that little hill and start climbing down, I'm gonna put it at 1. 46, 47. On 2. Alright, drop it back down.
Put her on 1. Still losing speed fast, so you can take her off for a second, let her coast. Now set her on 1. So right now we out here in New Mexico. I got this wild dog. Pretty dog. But right now I have my student working on his first blind side. He just nailed it. That's why he's pulling out. But now I want him to do it again. So as I told y'all before, majority of the time, we got a little time to play around with. We about to take our 30. I let my students work on their backing. And right now I feel like we got enough time for him to learn how to blindside. So that is what we're doing right now. I'm letting them blindside. We got enough space right here, away from everybody. So, you know, it's good to learn how to do driver's side backing, and it's also good to learn your blindside, because not every shipper or receiver you're going to be doing driver's side backing in. Sometimes you have to blindside. Like, for instance, sometimes when you go up to Chicago, they have some spots where you have to blindside off the streets. So it's right now, like I said, we got enough time. It's a beautiful day out here in New Mexico. We got enough time to do a couple backs. So that's what we're gonna do. Hey, check this bird out. Thought that was kind of cool. So as we're waiting for him to turn back around, we're gonna have him set up, and I'll be right back with y'all.
You were like, what the fuck is he
I ain't know where he was.
Well, I was waiting.
As you see, he got his blind side in. Got his blind side in, you know what I'm saying? What was your hardest part of blind side?
I had to adjust the mirror, and well, I was nervous because there's a lot of traffic coming in and out, but you have to adjust the mirror, make sure your mirror's right, and take your time putting the trailer back in the parking space.
It's different from, it's a whole lot different than regular driver side, because it's more technical. And you got to be more cautious because we're backing in between trailers. That's why we took that middle spot and then try to park it closer. Because I could have had you parking beside that prime truck right there, but we don't want to risk it. It's your first time doing a blind side, so there's no need to risk it. But y'all, he got it in there, you know what I'm saying? My man, he was a little nervous, you know. Y'all know how it is with truckers. They don't want y'all to back up. They try to overpower you and pass you and everything. But he got it in there, y'all. Like I said, we down here in New Mexico. Decent fuel prices, I guess, if that's what you want to call it, decent. I don't call it decent. But yeah, y'all, training has just begun, you know. We catching it, he coming along. So y'all stay tuned for this next video, all right? Peace, love, and happiness. See y'all in the next one.